Hi subscribers, so I am going to show you guys around. I am at the Yonkers Pier right now, as you can see behind me. I'm going to walk along the pier and show you guys some of the water and scenery so that you can look and enjoy the view. Have the Hudson River, and the other side is the county. And these are some apartments in front of me here. And just walk along on my tour. So guys, I'm walking up the Yonkers Pier. This is on January 7th, 2021. It's kind of chilly out here. There's a boat, a sail over there. There's a building in front of us right here. This is 23 Waterfront. These apartments are relatively priced. I think the minimum amount for some of the rents here are in the $4,000 a month. The maximum, I'm sorry, is about $4,000 a month. You have great views of the George Washington Bridge from here. You can see back there. And I'm going to walk up to the end right here so you guys can see a little bit of the water. It's kind of chilly today. I left my hat in the house. But these apartments are so stunning. They're wonderful. These apartments over here, most of them come with on-site laundry. They're in most of the units, and a couple of them come with fitness centers on site. Now I come out here a lot and I sit down in this little area right here. It's really, really beautiful. The sun is setting over there towards the east, and as you can see, there's the George Washington Bridge in front. And this is a great sitting area. You can sit on the benches and just relax right here. And there's some sculpture right here. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like, looks like Greek to me. There's a table. Let me show you the table and the chairs. See that? So I'm gonna sit right here on this chair, turn the camera around so you guys can see me. So I'm sitting on the chair right now, and I feel kind of like a Greek goddess here with my faux locks and my braids. I feel like a bit of a Greek goddess over here on this chair. I don't know, but it's really, really nice out here. It's kind of cool. The temperature is about 52 in New York today. I will be heading to the city shortly, but I just wanted you guys to see one of my getaway spots where I like to retreat sometimes. And I have my mask. I'm not around anyone right now. I'm social distancing. My mask is right here in my pocket. So I will be putting that on as I get closer to people. Here it is. But usually if I'm just outside like this and I'm not around anyone, I don't usually put it on if I'm not around anyone, or I'll have it underneath. But there's no one there, so let me turn the camera around again so you can get another view of the area. And I'm just gonna walk down a little bit further right here. So here's one of the buildings. As you can see, there's a taxi dropping someone off or maybe picking someone up, and there's FedEx. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people that actually shoot videos in this area right here. I've seen a lot of video shoots before. There's a boat out in the sea right there. You see that? And I want to get a little bit closer so you can see the George Washington Bridge right there. Spectacular view of the GWB. spectacular view. Now remember I mentioned that some of the buildings have fitness centers. This one right here is an example of one that has a fitness center. State-of-the-art fitness center inside. Most of them have balconies and terraces. Let me turn the camera around. So yeah, this is where, like, when I want to get out and get some exercise and things like that, and kind of just stretch my bones a little bit, I get out here and I walk along the pier, and you can see the water is beautiful. In the summertime it's nice. It's kind of cold tonight, but in the summer it's really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful out here. Take a look at one of the buildings right there. And I'll sit on this bench sometimes. Let me just sit right here and record. But yeah, our retreat, it's a nice retreat where I can kind of gather my thoughts and appreciate just life to the fullest. And I wanted to share this with you guys on my channel. And thank you all for watching, and have a happy and safe 2021. And just give you a little view again. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Yonkers, New York, you can actually see its close proximity to New York City, which is right there. And your New Jersey is right on the other side of the George Washington Bridge there. That will be New Jersey. That's New York City. Okay. So, guys, I took you on my trip through the Yonkers Pier, and you can see some of the water behind me. And I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully one day you'll visit. And I just want to show you guys some of the buildings right here. And there's the restaurant in the back, Dolphin's Cove.